What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a 2019 SRT Challenger Hellcat getting wrapped in this matte black by 3M28. So I have never done a car in matte black. I have always been a sateen black type of person, but this one looks not that bad, honestly. It's 3M28, good stuff right here. It's cast material, should last you a very long time. And yeah, basically straightforward wrap here. Everything that's gloss black is going to be in this color, matte black. With the arches, if I do have some left over, I'm going to hit the arches with matte black. If not, she says she's going to get the carbon fiber one. So we'll see. It might be two-tone or it might be everything in matte black. I just got to see how much I got left, because I'm literally doing everything. Oh, and besides the hood, I'm leaving that alone. So it's going to be exposed carbon fiber. But let's get to it. I'm actually kind of curious how this kitty's going to look like with matte black by 3M2080. So I ended up leaving the side mirrors gloss black, and it goes really well with the flares, the glossy carbon fiber exposed hood. Door handles I did wrap in matte black, and with the side mirrors in gloss black, did not wrap them. It matches really well with the wide body flares on this Hellcat. That's left now is the driver's side door and the rear bumper. With this license plate area, I will be adding a piece right here and then blending it in. So I'm using these edges to my own advantage. And that's really it. Finish it up, clean it up, take it out, show you guys, and the customer will be very happy. And there you guys have it all finished. Matte black with the two-tone gloss black arches, gloss black side mirrors, matte black door handles. The roof is also matte black, the antenna matte black. Looks crazy. This color really goes hard on these Challengers. Any Mopar really, matte black is the color. Two-tone especially. Got the blue interior, looks dope. Put the emblems back on, and you also got the blue, nice old Brembo brakes. So this was a straightforward wrap. I'm going to show you real quick how I pulled off this front bumper. First, I'm going to start off with this grill. Comes off really easily. There's these bolts on top, just remove them. And there's a bolt right there which you could get from the bottom, and this right here just snaps out on both sides. So yeah, basically wrap this part, that part, and then the bottom part, and blended it in right here. You can see a line. And then I took the initial roll and cut it right here, blended it in. I used this edge to my advantage. Use edges to your advantage, and just folded it in, cut right here. Did my post heating, very important, do your post heating, and that's it. Where the light is in the front and in the back on these Challengers, you don't really need to take off the bumper. It's not that aggressive. This film is really thin, 3M2080 matte black. So yeah, it's all about doing post heating. Do your post heating. Trust me, it's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of headache. A lot of people just wrap and that's it, call it a day. You got to do your post heating. So yeah, just cut along here, do your post heating. Fold it in here. I took off the arches, these wide body flares right here, this one, and the bottom one on the bumper. The bottom one was a little bit difficult because it's sort of like riveted on. It's weird. And then I did take off the rear arch as well. Then I wrapped the whole quarter panel, the door, took off the door handles. I mean, straightforward wrap. Took off the spoiler, wrapped the whole trunk, then put the spoiler back on. Very easy, just two 10mm on both sides, and just pops off. Well, at least this charger just popped off. Maybe other ones could have the adhesive over here. Now on the rear bumper, I'll show you guys real quick how I did it. Took a scrap paper and just wrapped this whole piece, and then I cut right here, this edge right here. I cut it, did my post heating, took the big roll that I had cut up, and that's it. Just blended it in along the edges, did my post heating, very important, once again. Post heating, and that's it. Very straightforward wrap. I like it so much. They're on their way, they're gonna like it, and I'm so far blown away. It looks crazy. The two-tone matte black with gloss black looks crazy.
Good. Looks good. It's hella clean.
Yeah, yeah, that two-tone.
It looks good. I'm not gonna lie. It looks really good.
Give her a follow for all the updates. Fandom, red eye.
Oh yeah, it looks good as fuck. Thank you.
Matte black.
Oh yeah, that looks good. It looks real good.
Yep.
Ain't no imperfections, I ain't gonna lie. I can't find any. It was good.
It was fun. There she goes. It is stupid loud. This thing is loud. Got another Hell Kitty right there. Yeah. There you go. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.